too far. Shooting pool, crack a jack, take off now, don't look back. But hey, don't you wanna play? Hold on, sugar, why you look so sad? Come on now, mama, ain't nothing here so bad. You got fast cars, movie stars, party on down the street with Mary Jane, good cocaine, plenty down there to eat. Double down, throw some dice, take off now, don't think twice. But hey, don't you wanna play? Baby, come on. Tell me where you wanna go. But baby, I don't work down there anymore. No, I don't. Getting late. Come on now, mama, don't you hesitate. Grab my hand, where we land. I got the champagne. We can knock it back, get on track, jump on, ride this thing. Double down, roll the dice, take off now, don't think twice. Hey, don't you wanna play? Say hey.
Had it been better, back again, my familiar stand. Nothing more than a thought to relate to. Tied it up for better or worse. Back to my ways, to the sanctuary. Nobody stays, but I'm removed by my situation, lacking concentration on what I mean. I say my intentions are what I believe in. Thoughts are my product of reasoning. My eyes are relaxed, but my head's got them leading the way. It's not often arrange things, and it's not like me to be clear. There's a bitterness inside me waking up. It in my grill, but just sank me deeper. Now I know what they meant when they said nothing takes you out of a hole, out of your story. Leave your ambitions all in the front yard.
In 600 metres, turn left onto Lilydale Lake Road.
I've been trying to break through. I've been dying to be with you, but my attempts have often failed,
Lilydale Lake Road.
and the way the day has sailed, it was gruesome to remain. What I mostly did was to complain, and with every failed attempt, only grew my self-contempt. No peace around, 12 time around,
Towards Lilydale Lake Road.
wallowing in mirth. What was it worth? Well, the upside of constant failing is the thought, what's the use of wailing when you've fallen deep below,
Head south on Lilydale Lake Road towards
underneath the roots that grow. There comes a point where you must choose. Will I win
Head south
or
on Lilydale Lake Road
will
towards
I
Swansea Road.
lose?
C401, then turn left.
Will I
onto
hold
Swansea Road.
on to what no longer serves me? Or will I heed the call that deserves me?